Good morning, students. Today I am going to start our fourth session of your Science Olympiad class. Already we have discussed the previous three chapters from your Science Olympiad examination syllabus. I hope already you have gone through these three videos properly, and I hope no queries are there, no problems are there. So let's start the today's class. Today's topic is acids, bases and salts. I hope already you have studied this chapter in your class. So let's start the today's discussion. The first question is, read the given statement and select the correct option. So in our previous videos also we have discussed these kinds of questions, that statement based question. So these types of question may come in your Science Olympiad examination. So please go through these kinds of questions properly from each and every chapter. First statement is, acids are substances which produce hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. And statement 2 is, acids are bitter in taste. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct statement? So option A is, both statement 1 and 2 are true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B is, both statements 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Option C is, statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. And option D, both statements 1 and 2 are false. So option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Why? Because acids are sour in taste, like the curd, like the vinegar, like the acetic acid. All those kinds of acids are actually sour in taste. So which is the option C, that statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. It's not the bitter in taste, it's actually sour in taste. Next question. Raghav categorized the following household items into acids and bases. So there are actually three acids name has given and some bases name has given. So acids lemon, antacid and 3, and bases window cleaner, vinegar and curd. So which of them are placed under the wrong category? So option D is the correct answer. That 2, 5 and 6 only. 2, 5 and 2, 5 and 6 only. Okay. Why? Because lemon contains citric acid. Okay. Vinegar contains acetic acid. You have to remember all those acids name also. The lemon contains citric acid, vinegar contains acetic acid, and tea contains tannic acid, and curd contains lactic acid. So they all are acidic in nature. And antacids are basic in nature, which neutralize the excess acid which is generated in the stomach and thus relieve the person from the acidity. Window cleaner contains ammonium hydroxide, which is basic in nature. Okay. Next question. Rima prepared an indicator paper by dipping a paper strip in a solution of X. She put a few drops of an unknown solution Y on this paper. She observed that color of paper turned yellow. Solutions X and Y could be respectively. Option A is red litmus solution and lime juice. Option B is phenolphthalein and baking soda solution. Option C is methyl orange and lime water. Option D, turmeric solution and lemon juice. Okay. So which is the correct option? Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Okay. The methyl orange and the lime water, because Y is basic solution. Why Y is basic solution? Because in the Y solution, number of hydrogen ions is less than that of hydroxyl ions. So in the acid, hydrogen ions will be greater than hydroxyl ion, and in the base, the hydroxyl ion will be greater than the hydrogen ion. The methyl orange turns yellow in basic solution. That red litmus solution turns blue, phenolphthalein turns pink, and turmeric solution turns red in basic solution. Option 4. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. That column 1 has given baking soda, niter, blue vitriol, fitkery, and column 2 in making fireworks as a fungicide, in purification of water, in fire extinguisher. So which is the correct option? That option C is the correct answer. The P4, okay, baking soda in fire extinguisher, niter in making fireworks, blue vitriol as a fungicide, and fitkery in purification of water. I think all of you know about the fitkery, but because fitkery is very common in household things, because we normally use this fitkery in purification of water. Next thing, Radhika took warm water in a beaker and put few China rose petals in it. She kept the petals dipped for some time till the water became colored. Then she put few drops of this colored water into the solution. Option 1 amla juice, option 2 lime water, option 3 common salt solution, option 4 baking soda solution. What changes would she observe in the color of China rose solution? Option A is the correct answer. That magenta, option 2 green, lime water will be green, pink, common salt solution will be pink, and the baking soda solution will be green. So question number 6. Read the given statements and select the correct option. That statement 1, to neutralize the effect of a bee sting, that portion of the body is rubbed with moist baking soda. Statement 2, baking soda contains sodium carbonate which neutralizes the effect of acid injected by bee sting. So option A, both statement 1 and 2 are true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B, both statement 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Option C, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. And option D, both statements 1 and 2 are false. Okay, so which is the correct answer? Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. This is the correct answer. Question number 7. Which of the following diagram represents alkalis and bases in the correct form? Okay, so option A 1 only, option B 3 only, option C 1 and 4 only, option D 2 and 3 only. Okay, so which is the correct answer? 1 only. Okay. Question number 8. Which of the following statement is correct regarding dilution of concentrated sulfuric acid? 1. Large volume of acid should be added to a small volume of water slowly. 2. Water should be added to acid in small volumes. 3. The process involves release of a large amount of heat. 4. Water should not be stirred. Okay. So which is the correct answer? Which is the correct answer? 3 only. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Question number 9. Raghu used excessive chemical fertilizers in his field while the soil in Raman's field was found to be basic in nature. What should they add to their fields to improve the quality of soil? So which is the correct answer? That B option is the correct answer. Okay, why? Because when we are using the excessive chemical fertilizers on the soil, then what happens? Then soils become acidic. That soil makes acidic, so it's treated with bases like quicklime. or staked lime. If the soil is basic, organic matter is added to it. Organic matter then releases acids which neutralize the basic nature of the soil. So then what happens? Then plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. Okay, because each and every organism has their optimum level, optimum capacity. Okay, so plants also do not grow well when the soil become excess acidic or soil become too basic. Okay. Question number 10. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. Ammonium hydroxide, tartaric acid, zinc carbonate, oxalic acid. Okay. So, which is the correct answer for question number 10? A is the correct answer. For P2, ammonium hydroxide for the window cleaner. Okay. Q3, tartaric acid for the termite. R4, zinc carbonate for the calamine, and S1, oxalic acid to the spinach. Okay. Next, Karthik performed the following experiment by taking few solutions and phenolphthalein indicator. Identify P, Q and R in his experiment. So, P for option A, P for acid, Q for acid, R for base. Option B, P for base, Q for acid, R for base. Option C, P for base, Q for base, R for acid. Option D, P for base, Q for acid, R for acid. So, which is the correct answer? B is the correct answer. P for base, Q for acid, R for base. That phenolphthalein gives pink color in basic solution. So, P is a base. When an acid is added to the solution, then what happens? Then it neutralizes base and the solution becomes neutral. After that, the phenolphthalein remains colorless in neutral solution. When base is added to the neutral solution, that phenolphthalein again turns pink in basic solution. Question number 12. Which of the following process represents a neutralization reaction? First option, applying vinegar on wasp sting. Option B, brushing our teeth with toothpaste. Option C, reaction of sodium hydroxide with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride. Option D, all of this. So for question number 12, answer is option D, all of this. That wasp sting contains alkali which is neutralized by vinegar. The toothpaste is alkaline in nature and neutralizes the acid produced by fermentation of food particles by bacteria present in our mouth. After that, when sodium hydroxide actually neutralizes hydrochloric acid, then it forms the sodium chloride, which is actually the salt. Okay. Question number 13. The given figure shows the color changes in test tubes 1, 2 and 3. When methyl orange indicator is added to them, identify the solutions present in test tubes, that 1, 2 and 3. So which is the correct option? 13D is the correct option. For 1, it will be the lemon juice. For 2, it will be sugar solution. And for 3, it will be lime water. Okay. Next question. Question number 14. Study the given table carefully and select the incorrect observation. Sample, tamarind juice, sugar syrup, lime water and soap solution. Okay. So, which is the correct answer? For question number 14, which is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. The 2 and 4 only. The 2 and 4 only. What is the meaning of it? When sugar syrup actually, this is the sample, when blue litmus actually add to sugar syrup, it will be red, and when red litmus to blue. Okay. So when sugar syrup, in the sugar syrup, when blue litmus actually added, then it will not be red. But when we add the red litmus, then it will turn to be blue. Okay. And in the soap solution, when we actually dip any blue litmus paper, so it after that, after immediate reaction, it will turn to red. Okay. But when we dip the red litmus paper, it will not turn to be blue. Next thing, question number 15. Okay. Question number 15. Rahul took a turmeric paper and tried to draw flowers on it with the help of cotton buds dipped in solution P and Q. The flower drawn with solution P was not visible, while one drawn with solution Q turned red. So solutions P and Q could be respectively option A lime water and lemon juice, option B vinegar and soap solution, option C common salt solution and baking soda, option D both B and C. So which is the correct answer for question number 15? Option D, because turmeric indicator remains yellow in acidic, it means the vinegar solution, and neutral solution, that common salt solution, and turns red in basic solution, which is the soap solution and the baking soda. Next is some hot questions are there. Okay, that question 16. Which of the following statements are correct? The first statement is the Tangy taste of cola drinks is due to carbonic acid, which is an organic acid. Option 2, inorganic acids are prepared artificially in the industries and are extremely corrosive. Option 3, hydrofluoric acid reacts with metals to varying degrees, therefore it is stored in glass bottles. Option 4, organic acids are weak acids that occur naturally in plants and animals. So which is the correct answer for question number 16? Which is the correct answer? That option C is the correct answer. The 2 and 4 only. That carbonic acid is an inorganic mineral acid and hydrofluoric acid reacts with the glass, hence it is stored in the plastic bottles. Question number 17. Study the given Venn diagram carefully. Okay. On the first circle, acids has written. In the second circle, bases has written, and in the intermediate stage, to the third number has written. Identify 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So for question number 17, D option is the right answer. That for the first circle, it will be there that react with carbonates to form carbon dioxide. Okay. For the second, turn China rose indicator green, and for 3, that can be identified by using the indicators. Okay. Next, question number 18. That Ishan tested the nature of a few common substances with different indicators and recorded his observations as follows. Substance P turned methyl orange yellow. Substance Q turned phenolphthalein colorless. Substance R did not have any effect on blue or red litmus paper. Substance S turned China rose indicator green. P, Q, R and S could be respectively option A lemon juice, fermented milk, salt solution and milk of magnesia. Option B sugar solution, vinegar, water and curd. Option C lime water, apple juice, sugar solution and baking soda. Option D none of these. For question number 18, C is the correct answer. The lime water is basic in nature, hence it turns methyl orange yellow. Apple juice contains malic acid, hence it turns phenolphthalein colorless. Sugar solution is neutral, hence it has no effect on litmus paper. Baking soda is basic in nature, hence it turns China rose indicator green. Next, question number 19. Study the given experimental setup carefully and select the incorrect statement. Okay, that this is the picture. Okay, so option A turmeric solution turns red in test tubes 1 and 3. Okay, test tube 1 and 3. China rose indicator turns green in test tube 2 and 4. Okay, next methyl orange turns yellow in test tube 1 and 3, and phenolphthalein remains colorless in test tube 2 and 4. So for question number 19, which is the correct answer? B is the correct answer, that the China rose indicator turns green in test tubes 2 and 4. Why? Because solutions 1 and 3 are basic in nature. Solutions 1 and 3 basics in nature, okay, and turn turmeric solution red, and China rose indicator green, methyl orange yellow, and phenolphthalein pink. So solution 2 or 4 are acidic in nature, hence actually it is the answer that China rose indicator turns green in test tube 2 and 4. Okay, so next is the for question number 20. Consider the following statements 1 to 4 and fill the blanks by selecting an appropriate option. First statement 1, an antacid acid such as dash is used to cure indigestion. Second, lime water contains dash which turns milky with carbon dioxide. Option 3, soap solution is basic due to presence of dash, it turns turmeric stain to salt to red. Last, baking soda is dash which reacts with vinegar to evolve carbon dioxide gas. So which is the correct answer for question number 20? A is the correct answer. For P, it will be the milk of magnesia. For Q, calcium hydroxide. For R, sodium hydroxide. For S, sodium hydrogen carbonate. So this is your fourth chapter discussion. In our next class, we will discuss chapter 5. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Go through these videos properly, and if any problems are there, just let me know. Okay. Thank you. Bye.